Hello YouTubers! For the first time ever, I have a chance to test a product from a Chinese manufacturer called Jiayu. Its products have slowly been making their way to the European markets. Is Jiayu S3 a smartphone you should pay attention to? Welcome to my unboxing and first impressions video. My Jiayu S3 is a review unit. Because of that, some standard information that you'd normally find in the retail unit is missing from the packaging. Let's take a look inside the box. Here you'll find your Jiayu S3, which I'm gonna put aside for a minute. Below is a card divider, and underneath you have a white wall charger and a micro USB cable for charging and data exchange. There is no headset included with the device. So now let's take a closer look at the build and design. The device seems to be quite solid. At the top of the front panel we have the 5-megapixel front camera and the headset speaker with LED notification light on the left and sensors on the right. Below is the 5.5-inch Full HD display entirely covered by Corning Gorilla Glass. Below the screen are the many home and back capacitive buttons. On the left of the smartphone there are no buttons. On the bottom you'll find the first microphone, micro USB charging port and cutout that makes it easier to pry the back panel open. Silver power and volume rocker buttons are located on the right side, and on the top we have a headphone jack and a secondary mic. On reverse we have a 13-megapixel camera module from Sony with autofocus and double LED flash, pretty Jiayu logo and dual stereo speakers. The size of the smartphone is what you would expect from a device with 5.5-inch display, and it is rather big. When placed next to the Galaxy Note 4, it is almost identical in size, and only the width is noticeably smaller. The dimensions are 152mm for length, 75.5mm for width, and 8.9mm in thickness. It's also quite heavy at 189 grams. The back panel is made of plastic that is not too slippery, and a profiled shape makes the phone feel good in the hand. You can remove the back cover by prying it open at the designated slit in the right lower corner. Similarly to the whole body, the back is made of plastic. Below the back cover we have two micro SIM card slots, micro SD slot and the removable 3000 mAh battery. The technical specification of Jiayu S3 is very impressive as well, especially that it's priced in Asia as only $200. The device packs a 64-bit octa-core MediaTek MT6752 chip, 3GB of RAM memory and 16GB of internal storage. LTE internet support with broad world coverage as well as FM radio, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS and GLONASS technologies can also be found in the device. The phone does however lack NFC and wireless charging technology. Jiayu S3 currently works on Android 4.4.4 with a large selection of languages and a heavy skin from the manufacturer, which actually reminds me of ColorOS found in Oppo devices. The interface is very smooth and the number of features overwhelming. What is quite interesting is the device comes with root privileges straight out of the box. Soon you'll find a detailed review of Jiayu S3 on my channel with camera and battery life tests, and in the meantime I look forward to any questions that you may have about the smartphone. Thanks for watching.